Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You must start with essentials. Equip the night vision goggles, insert a charged battery, and mount your phone securely. Once attached, open Evade and allow camera access. This lets the goggles relay the image. Make sure your phone's brightness is low and automatic adjustments disabled so the night view remains stable. You're doing this now to avoid sudden exposure spikes. After permissions, tap the goggles overlay in-game to enable the external feed and check alignment. Small shifts matter for clarity. Once the feed is active, you need to optimize settings inside Evade and on the goggles. Switch to the camera or video mode that matches the goggles' resolution. This reduces scaling artifacts. Then set manual exposure and lower ISO to cut visual noise. Your eyes will pick up more contrast. Lock focus on a mid-range object so the system stops refocusing during movement. As you move, make incremental adjustments. This helps maintain target silhouettes and prevents washed-out highlights that ruin stealth. To finish, perform a controlled sweep across the play area to verify edge clarity and contrast. Adjust brightness in small increments until silhouettes pop without clipping. Make sure the HUD elements don't block critical areas and enable any in-app stabilization features. If you experience jitter or lag, reduce resolution, disable extra overlays, and close heavy apps. This lowers latency. And if the feed fails, swap the battery and reattach the mount. These quick fixes restore functionality fast, so you stay in the game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.